life hack. You're gonna take the side of your glue stick and you just run it along the crease right here like this, and it makes it a nice smooth crease. And we don't want to forget to put our cap on our glue stick so that our glue stick does not die. Our glue stick thanks you for that. And then now, if you open up your paper, you have them glued together and you have a nice book. It looks like a book, okay? So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our paper, and then we're gonna make 2 lines and then right on the fold. So if my paper is like this, here is my fold, right? So I'm gonna turn it so it's folded, and then I'm gonna use my ruler and I'm gonna make 2 lines right down the center. So my lines are gonna be about 2 inches long. How many inches? 1, 2. So 2 inches on your ruler is where the number 2 is. Uno, dos. So I'm gonna make a line that goes from all the way here to the number 2. So now I have 1, 2 lines. Now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut along these 2 lines. I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna take my other hand and punch this out. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna punch it out a little bit, and then you're gonna fold it so they have a little bit of a crease. So see that little crease starts to come out? So that's gonna be our pop-up. I'm gonna kind of smush it with my hand. Mushy, mushy. And then now, if you open it up, you have something that looks like this, to which we're going to put our objects on. All right, so now that we've got our background done, then I'm going to do the floor, and I'm gonna do a rug, and I'm gonna use some texture, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first I'm gonna think about how I wanna make my rug, and remember this is gonna pop out here, and then we're gonna put our Van Gogh sunflower here. So we need to make sure that this kind of sits in front of it. So it's gonna look kind of like this. So our floor is gonna be down here on this part, bottom part. So I'm gonna do a rug. So I'm gonna draw a circle. And again, you can do anything that you'd like on the bottom of your floor. And then I'm gonna use a crayon. Let's see, I'm gonna do a brown rug and orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, this is texture, it's really nice and bumpy. I'm gonna put that underneath my paper like this, put it on top, and then I'm gonna take my crayon, and then I'm just gonna rub on top of it. It's gonna make kind of a texture. So I have my piece of paper. I'm going to use a pencil. And first I'm going to make the vase. So the vase is just a curved line and another curved line. And then the bottom is going to be rounded. That's called an ellipse. So we round the bottom. And Van Gogh has a vase that looks like this. He's got kind of like two parts. And then he's got all of his sunflowers kind of falling. So I'm going to draw one big sunflower here. Okay, so now we have our sunflower cut out and colored, and then we have our background, and then we have our floor done. So what we're gonna do last is we're going to glue our sunflower onto our piece. So there's this little piece right here, so this piece that comes up, this front piece, so not the top piece, but this piece right here. So we're gonna put glue right here.